You can end a man, you can imprison his body, but you cannot imprison his soul. And as long as man will refuse to be defeated, you are never defeated.
What was the implication of the things that he did? Una, 20 years siyang nakaupo. Pangalawa, what kind of development or growth are we portraying in the Marcos projects? Yung mga utang sa ano yun eh. Yung utang sa ibang bansa yun ang malalaki.
For him, only had 4 years. So, natural in terms of those things. Mas marami siya. But at the end of the day, were we in a better place before him or after? And I think the record will speak for itself.
The law in accordance with the powers vested in the President by the Constitution of the Philippines.